Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the video for this XP Deus filler number 5. We're almost full in the main. This is for top spot, top spot gets advances to the main. So good luck. We are live at 12:17. 12:17. List here: 10 entries. Bruno on the top, Bruno on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher. Got 7 times at 12:17. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. You got Sheldon on the top. Must go 7. Good luck. Wish coming your way at 12:18. 12:18. Last and final roll. Top spot gets a spot in the main. Congratulations goes to spot 7, Sheldon. Congratulations, Sheldon. Go ahead and pick your spot in the main. We are done at 12:18. 12:18. So everyone else, thanks for playing. Take care.